Some mornings I wake up and wonder, how did I end up here? No traffic, no blaring horns, no morning alarms, just birds, smoke, and stillness. So what's up, guys? I hope you're all doing amazing. It's been a minute since I did a video for you guys, so welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Aileen and I used to live in the city, Nairobi City, Kenya. And life there was very nice, yes, but then it was very crowded. It was very fast paced and I was so plunged in. And then well, life happened and somehow I got myself in this beautiful little village here in western Kenya. And this is not a vacation, this is my real life now. And I just want to show you what a normal day looks like living here in a remote village in western Kenya. I'll show you the beauty, the struggles, and everything in between. I know you're going to enjoy this video, so let's go. My day starts early, and not because of an alarm, but because the sun rises and the roosters won't stop. First thing, I make breakfast, and at times there's no electricity, and that means there's no kettle and there's no cooker. So if I want tea or if I want any food, I start with smoke. Most days, it's strong Kenyan tea with sweet potatoes, or leftover ugali if I'm lucky. Simple food, but it fills the belly and warms the heart. This is my meditation now. No rush, just gratitude. I used to think that a fast life meant a good life. But here I am, washing utensils and scrubbing sufurias. And let me tell you, I've never felt more present. Bye. So, I want to ask this much. I clean not just for hygiene, but for peace. A clean space is a calm mind. Before the sun rises too high, I start with the compound. It's not just about cleaning, it's about grounding myself and connecting with the land beneath my feet. The same land that raised my mother and her mother before her. Out here, every small task is a mission, like fetching water. That's a really full workout. And then there's the washing of clothes. This takes all morning. Sometimes I miss the city convenience, like just pressing a washing machine button and waiting for like 5, 10, 20 minutes or so. But the village teaches you that effort is sacred.
Because I'm so tired of her doing things to me, and that includes my mother and grandmother.
Good evening.
So it's in the afternoon and it seems like it wants to rain. So I don't have much to do. So today is on a weekend. So I've decided to remove my hair. It's been a while, as you can see guys, it's a mess. Yeah, so I don't have my toothpick is done. And my twists are a bit tiny. So I'm using this stick. It's a broomstick to remove my hair. It's kind of tiresome, but I had to improvise. Yeah, so let me remove my hair guys. I've stayed with these twisters for a while now since I relocated to the village. So and it's been like 3 months, so I've had these for like 3 months now. So I've just decided to remove them because I haven't gone back to Nairobi, and I was like, I still don't trust the salons here in the village, and I don't know if and I don't know which salon actually does best, so I do want to risk. So right now I'm just removing it because I'm planning to travel to Nairobi soon so that I can make my hair, because guys, it's really bad. As you can see guys, it's really bad. So let me use my improvised toothpick here. You see guys, it has started raining. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. Oh, I'm loving these. I think it's around 3:30 p.m. in the evening. Yeah. It has started raining. Look at that. If I need food, I have to walk. And if I want things like the vegetables, I buy from Mama Mboga just down the road. There's so many vibandas. There's no delivery, there's no Jumia, there's no Glovo. So it's late in the evening and I'm headed to buy dinner at the shop. So you have to walk. It's a distance, so the shops are not nearer here, so you have to walk a distance. As you can see, it's getting dark. I think it's around 6:40 p.m. in the evening, and what surrounds me here is the maize plantation, and this other side is a bush. So let me show you what my front looks like. So that's where we are headed. Sasa kuna sukuma. Sawa. So going to the shop right there. That's where the shop is. So I need to cross this road. This other side. So let's cross. Sasa saidie tissue ni how much? 30. Saidie mbili. Alafu kuna Royco cubes. How much? 5 moja. Saidia 20. So I'm done with what I've bought. So here you can just buy few stuff. The supermarket here is very far. You have to board a matatu. So right now we need to cross the road and go buy sukuma on the other side. So there is where we are going to buy our mboga, our sukuma wiki. It's like a small kibanda. So let me cross the road. Sometimes it's tiring, but there's something sacred about just knowing where your food comes from, knowing the name of the hand that picked it. Sasa kuna sukuma saidia ya 20. Nikuja. Sawa.
Ilete jina gani boss?
It's already dark. Yeah, this place doesn't have street lights, so I'm headed home. I believe the place is safe. I haven't had any complaints or any incidences that have happened here, so I believe it's safe. So right now I'm on my way back to the house, and this place is how it looks at night. No lights, just peaceful with the sounds of the birds, sounds of people maybe, but not so many people like in the cities. Yeah, so let's head home. I hope you guys are seeing me. I hope you're seeing me. Here in the village, people really take life 1 hour at a time, and somehow that feels more human. There's no calendar invites, no to-do list, just life unfolding moment by moment. Evenings are always quiet, the chickens return, the sky turns orange, and slowly everything winds down. Most nights, I eat ugali and sukuma, sometimes beans, rarely meat. But I always eat with both hands and gratitude. I'm really in pain. Um, my neck is aching and my shoulders here on the back. It's because of the positioning while I was undoing my hair, and I'm still not done undoing my hair. Still have this part remaining, and I'm really tired at the moment. Yeah, so I never planned to live in the village, and growing up, I didn't imagine that one day I'll move back and live in the village. Life is very funny, but you see, life sometimes gives you something that you didn't know you needed. And I still haven't come to terms with it, but with time, I'm learning to accept it. Um, Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, kindly give this a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Will you survive a day out here, or do you need to? Thank you so much. Kindly consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.